for you here. Did you like the intro? Well, you may be asking what the intro, why was it there? And also, why was it so long? But you may be asking, where is the tower right now? Well, see this wick right here? That is the tower itself. And I don't even know, I don't remember the tower's name. It's the largest building in the world. But this wick is 2.4% counting from the body. But if you count the whole thing, counting from the bottom to here, it's 3%. And so that is a lot of Bitcoin for me. Maybe wondering why this in the intro. Well, this is why I started thinking that we might be going down. And so the reason I started thinking that we might be going down is because this wick, you know that we have this big wicks right here that we went all the way down and then came back up, like right here and right here. That means that bulls are in control. That means the bears went all the way back here, and then the bulls pushed them back up. Well, this wick says that the bears are in control. Well, starting, the bulls are weakening, the bears are gaining. Because the bulls went all the way up to here, but they couldn't hold their position. They fell back down to the split price they're starting. And so that made me wonder, maybe I should look at the 200-day moving average just to make sure we're above. And by the way, this is the 200-day moving average right here. You see that we're below it right now. And so these two things made me start to wonder if we could go down. I didn't even know that we would go to $10,000. But I looked at my upward trending triangle. Remember, I had one somewhere. I think I deleted it. Yeah. I had one. It was something like this. And when we broke down, I was like, that was weird. It should have broken up. But I could see now that there's this bearish divergence. It's when the price does a higher high and some kind of indicator, like the RSI, does a lower high right here. And so that is actually bearish. And so I thought probably that's why we broke down. But now I started thinking, what if I remember that video that I made about thinking that this is the second wave and that we could be pushing, like doing this fake down. And I remember I said in the video that I said that this is the fake down. But I don't think that's a fake down anymore. I think this is the fake down. There's going to be a big fake down, even though it's going to be pretty big, but in the larger time frame, it's going to be pretty small. Because if we go to like this could be like the ABC correction wave. And ABC's correction waves happen in, LA waves. So I drew a couple of LA waves right here, and you can see that we have this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. We do not care about wave 4 and 5. I didn't even draw them right because that's way too far ahead. But wave 1 happened, wave 2 happened, and wave 3 is happening. But in the smaller time frame inside of wave 3, there's smaller waves. You know that. And so there's wave 1, then there's a wave 2, and a wave 3, and a wave 3, and a wave 4, and a wave 5. And all of those are in this bigger wave 3. And so, by the way, we could even break down this wave 1 into smaller waves and keep going, because the waves never end, but you just need to get smaller time frames, and for that you'll need minutes and seconds and then milliseconds, and nobody wants to do milliseconds. And so I checked out this, and I saw that if this is a top, then the Fibonacci retracement, if I drag it, should be about 10,000. Just because I eyed it with my eye. I tested it, and yeah, it is 10,000. 10,250. Well, about just like it can be tested 10,000. That actually was really interesting for me. So I started digging deeper and trying to find more things that would tell me that we would go down. Next, I looked at smaller time frame. Well, actually the same time frame, just a smaller view. You could see that I saw there were bear flags and there was a head and shoulder pattern. And so I saw that if we get this head and shoulder pattern like this, and drag it to the point of the breakout, it would go to here. This is 10,800 level. And these bear flags, we just broke out of one right here. You drag it like this. Whoops, my bad. It's supposed to be like this. And you drag it to here. Also 10,800. And then I saw the VPVR, It wasn't popped up when I looked, but then I popped it up and it said 10,800 is a really big support right here. And after that, there's not that much until 10,000. And so what I think will happen is that we're going to go test 10,000, maybe bounce off, and like there's ABC correction wave. We might go here, then bounce up a little bit higher, and then go farther down. So I think we will test this, either break down or bounce up, but then come back rejected. Maybe we can reject out of the 11,800. You can see that there's a support and resistance right there. And also, 11,800 fits perfectly with, if you think about it, I say the Fibonacci retracement of wave A. You can see that if we drag it all the way down to 10,800, which is right here, the golden pocket will be 11,800. So just let's go here. Actually, let's go over here, and you can see that the ABC correction wave would be like this. You could go down to 10,800, which is right here, then bounce up to 11,800, which is right here, and then bounce to 10,000. And that would make sense because the Fibonacci retracement has to go here, and the bigger Fibonacci retracement that goes to wave 1 says that we will go to 10,000. So that's why I think we will go to 10,000, because the bear flag and the head and shoulders pattern and the Fibonacci retracement and the LA waves, all of them go there. And it all started because of this little wick right there, which is called the biggest tower in the world. Yeah, I have no idea what this is. And so that's why I think we could be going to $10,000. But after we get, bounce of 10,800. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click that post notification bell. See you guys in the next video. Bye!